Welcome back to DIY Website Builder. Ready to customize your content? Let's dive into the text box and unlock every typography and styling feature you need. Just click or drag the text component from the left. Click the text added to your document to open the properties. The Properties panel is where you get instant, precise control over every aspect of your text box. Start by typing your content. This could be your headline. To create a subheading, simply duplicate the first text element. Now you have two separate elements that you can edit independently. When you click on a specific element within a component, its individual properties will automatically appear. This allows you to fine-tune each element independently, while still maintaining control over the layout and behavior of the entire component. Want a stack? Click the component button and toggle the column layout. Now your elements appear below each other. Next, go back to Element, open the Typography drop-down menu, and adjust the alignment to your preferred setting. Need help refining your copy? Click Generate with AI to instantly improve or rewrite your text. You can also customize your font in the Typography drop-down menu. Toggle the default font and select your preferred font. Adjust font size, letter spacing, or font weight. And tag your text as a heading or paragraph for proper structure. Want to change colors? Pick your preferred font color, or toggle on the background color to style it your way. You can even fine-tune padding, left, right, top or bottom, for perfect spacing. Add a border. Adjust its width and style. Or round the corners for a softer look. You can also include a drop shadow and tweak it to your preference. In the Element's advanced settings, you'll find options to control visibility on different devices. It's an easy way to fine-tune how your site looks across screens. Now let's take a look at the component settings. Remember, this controls the container that holds all your elements. Here you can adjust the spacing between elements, set the component's background color, and define overall padding and borders. Next, let's look at the component's layout width. You can set it to either full width or compact. Full width expands the component to cover the entire screen, while compact keeps it nicely centered with some breathing room on the sides, perfect for a cleaner, more focused design. You can add animations to your component by toggling the animation button on. Once enabled, select an animation type. It'll automatically apply to all child elements within the component. And there you have it. A fully customizable text component in DIY Website Builder. Everything you create is responsive by default, so your website will look great on any device. Start building, experimenting, and bringing your ideas to life with AI. It's that simple.